Hello guys, on this video I will transform my collection from the chore from format sound font 2 to sound font Z, and later will be put on the native sampler just to show you how I am doing and how I am at. As the many people said, I'm doing the very fast the step by step. So on this video I will try to explain it very slowly to show the way how I'm doing one by one. So the first one, let's to going to sound font to my collection. So that is the my chore collection sound font to chore section. I will be using this folder. So here I have maybe more than 30 or 40 multisamples. So all this folder I will transform from sound font 2 to transform to sound font Z. For that one I will be using the Awave Studio. Usually also I use it the sometimes extreme sample converter is the very good is one as well, but it's so simple. That is the old this is the old one, and now I will be Awave Studio. That's the best program. It's the very good. I very like it. When it's open the Awave Studio, we're going on the top one. There is the tools. When you put the tools, we're going on the batch conversion. Just press there and going later on the convert instrument. Just choose the convert instrument and we have this one. And after that, need to add the files, which one I want to transform and convert. We add the files from here. This is this folder. Just press just one, and later Control plus A, we are selected all together, all folder is the selected here, and just in the open. And now it's all this multisamples is here. There's the every one by one, they show me how many waves it is that, or that is the internal samples. Have the every multisamples. Why, for example, the first one have the 37, another one 19, there is the 10, here is the 20, but that's not so important now. So the next one, I need to open the which format I wish. So I am will be convert with the sound font Z cakewalk sound font Z2 waves in the subfolder. But before I'm convert, I just want to explain for this wave studio. That is the very good, because this program is available to convert the many different style. I will show you. There I have from the Akai, I have from the Sonic, from Logic, from the Roosevelt, from Casio, from Giga Studio, from 1 to 3, from Sonic, from battery, that's from the contact. Also I have here KMP file from the Cork Trinity, from Cork Triton, from Cork M3, from Cork Kronos, Roosevelt, again there from the reactor, there from have for contact 3, Akai as well, and there see how many options from the just for Cork here from Akai as well. They are coming Yamaha also, and here have the sound font 1, sound font 2. When I use it many multisamples is this format, because the sound font 2 is the very useful format, because they have on the many big programs like SF Studio, like Cubase, like another one. I have the internal sound font player, and many people is using this format, but also is using the Cakewalk sound font set format, because this format is available to use it later. The opening file is available to open by note and for the text format, and it's very easy to make some reduction there, some edit. I'll show you later. Let's just to convert now. And now I wanna, let's just to set the folder when I'm wish. I'm just will be wish. This is the empty here on this file. Soundphone Z multisamples. I will put all multisamples here. Now just will be start and see just for the few seconds 45 files is in the batch. So I'm just in the convert only from the few seconds 45 files. Now let's do going there on the folder. So that is the folder. No, that is the old one. That is the sound font. Let's just to close. And now let's do going to the new folder, sound font multisamples. So all multisamples, all this folder I'm converted here. So this is the samples is here one by one. Like for the first one is the Boychor Ah. That is the opening file. Let's just to open the folder here and see how many samples I have only on this multi-samples. Right. I just show you, if you, this is the opening, opening file. If I'm open with the edit not repeat, so the all information I have here, and if I need to make some edit here, it's available to do it direct here, like text. Or another option to send this information on some AI, like GPT, or another one, and the AI would be checking the information. If you have any mistakes or wrong or not good, it's available. He just would be refixed and later would be used. Right. So I am ready, and now let's to going to Giglad. When you're going to Giglad, just will be press here. I will be opening the native sampler. Just to check on the moment here I have some instrument, I would be remove everything from here. I would be add the new layer. How to add the new layer? We're going on the sample maps here, which is in the press, and later we're going to import some from Z. Just press here and find the folder. My folder is there, sound from Z multisamples. Just in the from here, we look at from the opening file on the bottom, and let's just to press to check first one. How's it going? It's very good. So next step, if for example that this multi-samples is liked, see all samples is there, just need to save the instrument from here. Save instruments. I will make the new folder with the here from the grade directory. No, sorry. Yes, from that one. So the right click on the mouse, review in the Explorer, just in the press here, and I would be add direct from here is one new folder, and there would be put the chore sound font Z. Right. So just would be close the Giglad and would be open again and have a look. This one would be coming or not. Right. So would be open. So the new layer is press here on the sample map. Press here, import sound from Z. And close this one. It's open. So now we'll be safe from here. Art. Let's try. Yes, sure. It's empty. And there will be put the name is the boy chore. And just enter. And let's see is there. No? Sure, yeah, is there. So that this one is add here direct. Why? I will show later. Let's to add another one. One more will be remove this one, new layer. On the sample maps as well, import sound from Z. Let's to add. Should be the Gregorian interval. Let's to check this one. Let's to check another one. Soprano interval, tenor, English combi, gospel hum. Let's to check this one. Just will be safe. Again. Sure, just will be add the name. Gospel hum. Enter. And this is the way how to make the choice. Add here, check it, and if you like it, just in the save. Because what happened on the moment we are available to use it all effect on the native samplers like reverb, like echo, like chorus, everything. And also is a very good one. It's not just to use it on the right hand, like here. It's not just here on the right hand. There is available to use it this effect as well, like the delay. It's the good one to use it on the arrangement, on the style as well. I will show you how. Let's just to import it, run one factory style. Maybe this one. There. Let's to going on the style editor and find it ways to have the harmony rising part. Okay, just the rising part will be changed. Press just here on the rising part and going there, and the user chore and use it for actually boy chord. like that. And let's, when we put the style, oh, sorry, when we put the style, so that's the board choice here. Or another one, when I'm at another one. So that is the absolutely brilliant, because everyone when have the same collection from sound format, or for the contact, or from the cork, or the different one, is available to convert via the Awave Studio to convert to Soundphone Z. Out here, I will be available to use it straight away on the Giglad. We'll make the new collection, and Giglad have the very good sound internal, when by the Giglad have the many instruments. When you want to add some your one, which one is the wicked, that is the way. I'm hope now to don't be so frustrated many people to understand exactly step by step how I'm convert, and how to put exactly to going to native sampler. And I hope to be useful for you guys. Thank you very much to watch me. I will be see you very soon. Thank you.